Alright guys, we're back. It's Sunday. We went to the flea market. There must have been like, what, 10 people there,
Yeah,
Lauren?
it was real empty.
There's nobody there today. But so we decided to switch gears a little bit, get some music and Skylanders. Why don't you tell them about your Skylanders first?
I got these for $3 a piece. Well, a little bit less. They were really around $2.50 a piece because I got also to them for 15. But it's good. They're just ones I needed. They're not like super. They're not super rare. But like some of these, like you don't see as often. Like Prison Break Series 2, you don't see as often. But yeah,
It's pretty cool. So that's 6 more. What are you up to? About 100 now?
101.
That's crazy. And then we got some classics, man. Well, that one's not a classic, but
Linkin Park's classic. It's 20,
Wow.
almost 20 years old.
yeah, but that's you're talking a 50-year-old man. That ain't a classic. Anthrax classic. Even Spin Doctors, I don't necessarily consider it's a 90s band. So the Rush is awesome. We got the soundtrack for Turtles. It's a little funness, coolness. So hopefully you guys dig. It's just a quick pickup. We'll be doing a weekend repair. It'll come out later, the 2-parter. So we're getting the DFs going for the track. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Again, this Avon Flea Market pickups. You know, spent like what, $20 today?
15 and then 13, so like almost 30.
No, that's not still not too bad.
Between the
It's a
two
good
of us.
deal. So, and Grandma's car radio don't work, so we had to get some music anyway, so we have something to listen to. So, anyways, like, subscribe, guys. Quick. I'll see you when I see you. I can't even speak today. Jeez. I'll see you.